Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon Universe again. First, change the background color to gray. And then create new layer for the rough sketch. After the rough sketch is done, turn down the opacity layer to 40%. Then, create new layer for the finish outline layer. Add more the detail in this phase. And remember to correct the wrong proportion. Don't be hesitate to create another new layer to correct the wrong details. You can always merge them in the end. After the outline is perfect, make the layer as reference. So that you can drop the base color in another new layer faster. Then, create new layer for the shadow. Place it above the base color layer and set it as clipping mask. Add another new layer for the darker shadow. Add another new layer for the highlight color. Don't forget to separate every color in different layer. So that you can change it in the end faster, if you find it wrong. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.